Excellency, on behalf of His Royal Majesty, you are warmly welcome to Mercia Palace. And as custom demands, I would like to ask of your mission here this afternoon.
Your Royal Highness, thank you very, very much for making time. You have a very busy schedule, so it's a great honor to be here. It's almost 4 years ago that I had the privilege to come here the first time, and I spent 4 wonderful years in Ghana, a lot of times in Kumasi. In the visa section, they were complaining that I spent more time at KNUST than in the visa section. And I felt that's exactly what I was paid for, to reach out to what I always say is the center of excellence of academic science in the country. And you, as the president of that institution, I would like to congratulate you. And I always used to say in Accra, when I'm a little bit tired of Ghana, because things are not moving, then I go to Kumasi, and then I go to KNUST. I breathe the energy and the dynamics of the young Ghana and the ambitious Ghana, and that brings back my trust in this.
You believe?
Yes. And as you know, and I had the privilege to be in the ceremony celebrating 25 years of KCCR. This is still very close to my heart, and also because the Werner Nocht Institute, the partner institution in Germany, is in my hometown Hamburg, and I can assure you that I will follow up on that, even though I might be leaving Ghana. I'm not leaving this very important corporation behind. And there are currently certain hiccups which I think will be managed to get into shallow waters again. And so I'm looking forward to a very exciting future of this institute that is now also embarking on the road of vaccine production. So that is, I think, a big milestone, and will help Ghana and the continent to become more independent when it comes to vaccine. And so many things happened in these 4 years, including the fact that your friend Horst Köhler passed away. He was your good friend in Germany who invited you to, I think it was Baden-Baden, and he always talked about you in the highest terms. So I hope that we manage to find a new contact point. Our president has intentions to come to Ghana in the end of October, beginning of November. We are trying to convince him that he takes his delegation to Kumasi. And we hope that if that happens, that we could organize some encounter with him. He knows Ghana. He has been here as president, as foreign minister, and he's excited to come. And I hope I can be of help. And my next destination will be Lagos. So I stay next door, and like many Nigerians, I certainly will need some time over the weekends to breathe. I hope I'm allowed to come back to Ghana, including to my friends here at Kumasi. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for this 4 years of good relationship between Germany and Ghana.
Sure.
Your support during your duty tour in relation to wishing for the best for Ghana and the advocacy and your forthrightness in some of national issues was something that I admired and followed with keen interest. And your duty tour to Germany and Ghana has been able to come closer. And like you said, the relationship between KNUST and KICC and others and you. No wonder people in Accra were saying you liked Kumasi because it was for a good cause anyway, and therefore my university has been very benefited from your guidance and support and everything. KICC is also doing very well, and I know that into the future it will continue. Your advocacy on Galamsey and Professor from Bobatin supporting and running to you and all that, I know. Those were issues that I followed with keen interest, but
Yeah.
positive signals to tell authority that, look, let's be fair and honest with each other and be able to do that. I still believe that we still have to benefit from the technical education side of Germany. If you look at after the war how Germany was built, I still believe that Africa can transform by following those guidelines, which we haven't actually gotten it right, because the industrialization we are talking about now, transformation from agriculture to that, are all some of the that we can benefit from the technical side of education that you have.
Zo.
And I still believe that we should be looking at that, even though we've had bilateral issues here. Maybe some of the policies that we seem to adopt, the ministries and all those things are not in tune with what should follow with Germany's direction in terms of that, and therefore I still feel that we still have to look at that, because the technical education we are producing in relation to how you felt that things should be done.
Zo.
But I believe strongly that you've done your best, and you brought Germany and Ghana closer together, and the awareness as I sit here, I benefited from some of your dealings and some of the issues that you raised up in public domain and in private. So we thank you very much for your stay. You've been, the name is a household name.
Zo.
Everybody knows the German ambassador, Mr. Krull, and his forthrightness. And I'm glad that you're coming next door. And if you're just next door, it means that Ghana is here. But you'll be most welcome anytime. And don't be far, because flight from Lagos to Accra is only about 45 minutes, 1 hour, then you're here. So even though you're leaving Ghana to next door Nigeria, we still believe that we have something in common to build together again. Especially Manshia would always welcome you. My university would always welcome you to come.
Zo.
Please bear in mind that I look forward to be seeing you regularly again from now. I thank you for coming today and continue to be an advocate for Ghana, and the good deeds and the intent that you felt that you should follow. Please continue with that for us. And I can assure you that the democracy, the elections and all those things that we've gone through, that you also monitor severally in terms of this. We assure you that we will continue, and that Ghana has decided that it is the path to determine our future, and therefore that is where we're going to go, and therefore we will count on your support and everything at any one time. So I thank you very much for coming today, and I look forward to the new president also visiting. My friend left me, but I look forward to the new president coming to Ghana. Hopefully, if you would visit Kumasi like Mr. Kola did, it will be fine for us. So thank you very much for coming this morning with us. We wish you well.
Yes, please. I will meet Paul in the afternoon.
Paul, you see him this